If your steel supplier is inconsistent, you're missing out. Meet Mahadev Steel India, quality and variety in every piece. Established in 2021, Mahadev Steel India has quickly become a top supplier, stockist and exporter of a vast array of steel and metal products. From stainless steel to duplex, titanium to Inconel, they've got it all covered. With ISO certifications 9001, 14001 and 45001, Mahadev Steel India guarantees top-notch quality, sustainability and safety. Whether you need cutting, bending or welding, their expert services ensure your specific requirements are met with precision. Their extensive product range includes everything from stainless steel and carbon steel to exotic alloys like Monel and Hastelloy. Need pipes, tubes, sheets, plates or coils? They've got you covered. Looking for rods, fittings or fasteners? Look no further. Mahadev Steel. India's commitment to excellence doesn't stop at products. Their customer service is second to none, ensuring competitive prices and on-time delivery every time. So why wait? Choose Mahadev Steel India as your one-stop shop for all your steel needs. Contact them today for a quote and experience the difference. Visit mahadevsteelindia.com or reach out at +918928609997 or 0226659537 or drop them an email at export@mahadevsteelindia.com. Mahadev Steel India, quality and variety, engineered for excellence.